Hi, my name is Eileen. I am a psychology student at Hansek College. I have been in this program for 2 years. In the future, I want to become a clinical psychologist, which is basically a person who specializes in diagnosis and gives psychology treatment for mental illness. In this field of psychology, there's a lot of theory and concept that is difficult to understand. That is why I have come up with an interesting website related to my field of study. This website is called Simply Psychology. Now let's begin by opening a new tab. In the address bar, type simplypsychology.org. Once the page has launched, you see there's a navigation bar which has several categories. Like if you click on the first category, we have the names of famous psychology. These names are separated by a different perspective in the field. Then the second one, we have theories, which is also divided by different psychological perspective. A psychological perspective, it's a view that a person believes about human behavior. Then we have the third button, which is study. This is divided by different topic in the field of psychology. The navigation bar will help you find more quickly and easily an article. Under the navigation bar, we have the logo. And if you scroll down, you will see that there's more articles, but this time these articles are about the perspective in psychology. For example, if you click on the first picture, which is the cognitive psychology, an article about the cognitive psychology will show you. First, it will give you a small definition about what is a cognitive psychology, and after it will explain more in details about this perspective. On the right side of the screen, you see there's two buttons. One is print and the other one download. You can print the article or download and keep it to yourself. Under these two buttons, we have some more articles related to this particular perspective. For example, if you click on the first title, which is memory, it will show you an article of stages of memory. On the right hand of the screen, there is a box with the article's content. You can just click on this title to have a specific information. If you scroll down, we have more articles related to the topic of a memory. Now let me show you something more fascinating about this website. If you click on the A-level revision note, the website gives you some summaries and notes that is related to your topic. And if you click on the questions and answers, which is located on the right hand of the screen, an PDF format page will appear, and these are questions and following with the answers, so you can practice yourself before a test. So that's how this website works. I hope this has been useful to you, and thank you.